Make screenshot of the end of the video. Go to Ibis Paint X and select the outline of the photo.
They tell me keep it simple, I tell them take it slow. I feed them water and ideas, so I let it grow. I tell them take it easy, they laugh and tell me no. It's cool, but I don't see them laughing at my money though. They spitting facts at me,
like this.
Catch me, I'm spinning gold on my records, no you can't combat me. They tell me Jesus walks, I tell them money talks. Blink got me chill, cause
use the bucket to fill the photo, like this.
I say I'm wide awake, tracks hot and ready, so they call me Mr. Easy Big. They say the grass is greener, I think my grass is dead.
You should to select the corners of the photo, like this. Save it, and the photo must be was selected. Put the photo in main Turk. Down it to overlayer. Cut. Make 2 copies of the photo, and put them under each other. Freeze. Use it to move the photo. Put one on the first photo, and the second in the center of the photo. Effect, party, color negative. Object. Put the effect on layer 1. And another effect layer 2. Thank you for watching. And don't forget like and subscribe. Bye.